Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones coming back with another video, man. Shouts out to everybody coming through, checking out the channel, man. Y'all already know I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and also follow me on the ground where I post some of the dopest pics. And on top of that, you know your boy do story giveaways, and you don't want to miss that because you could possibly win. Today is December 9th, one day after the most famous sneaker of the year drop, which is the Jordan Concord 11. Now, I know everybody dropped the video on it yesterday, you know what I'm saying? Being a YouTube creator is very important to stand out as much as you can, especially when you're doing sneakers that's so dominated by other guys doing the same thing. Now, yesterday we all know the Jordan Concord 11's dropped, and for that reason, I know that people who watch sneaker YouTube vividly, we're going to see nothing but Jordan Concord 11 videos when they swipe down their timeline. YouTube has an algorithm to where if you watch a video, the algorithm is built for them to think you like those type of videos. So what they will do is not only drop that person's videos in your timeline, they will also drop related videos in your timeline. For that reason and that reason only, man, I knew that the people who watch sneaker YouTubers like me, Mike Rich, Unbreakable Kicks, Tony D, whoever you watch, man, I knew for a fact if you was to get on YouTube yesterday, your app would be just flooded with nothing but Jordan Concord 11 videos. That is the reason why I posted something different yesterday. I know a lot of people don't like when I go outside my element, but at the end of the day, man, I feel like I can bring to y'all more than just sneakers, and I wanted to bring y'all something new. I was hoping when y'all swiped up and seen a different video, something that had nothing to do with the same damn shoe, you would probably feel a little bit more relieved. Hopefully, I know a lot of y'all did enjoy the video. If you haven't watched it, I will link it right here, and it'll also be listed at the end of the video. I love coming at y'all with new content. Like I said, as a creator, you want to make sure that your subs or your core is getting like something different. But y'all know why we here, bro. The reason why we here is to recap. The recap of what happened yesterday, dog. And it all comes back to these. The Jordan 11 Concord, man. This shoe yesterday caused so much havoc. It was absolutely crazy. Now, don't get me wrong, right? I believe I said the amount of pairs that would be sold was between 1.2 and 1.4 million. Actually, it wound up being 2.2 million, I was told, and that is a lot. Look at me. A lot of sneakers. Now, like I said yesterday, I was not out and about copping these sneakers, but I was still riding around the city and I saw lines going crazy. Me, Unbreakable Kicks, Fight Academy Kicks, and my boy Big Hollow, we got a group chat, and in that chat, I'm hitting them up like, yo, bro, do y'all see the lines outside, bro? Like, do y'all see the lines outside? For a shoe that had 2 million pairs, you would have thought that it really wasn't that much because people was avid about getting these. They sold out on Sneakers app. Once that happened, I was like, damn. You know what I'm saying? Like, golly, like they really making, like they're really still going after these. And a lot of people called it. You know, you can go back to a lot of early YouTube videos where a lot of people were saying that these was gonna sell out. Me, I had my doubts. I really didn't know if they was or if they wasn't. I know a lot of resellers probably picked up 10 to 15 pair and they helped these sell out. But at the end of the day, man, you know, they sold out. At least majority here in Georgia, here in Atlanta, they gone. Now, my reason I'm making this video and this recap is just to say, man, this is the reason why we all fell in love with the Jordan 11. You know what I'm saying? I remember when the Jordan 11 was only dropping on holidays. Now it's not like that no more. Now you get Jordan 11s whenever. You know, they dropped the Winlight 82 whenever. They dropped the Winlight 96 whenever. On top of that, they just dropping lows and they dropping IEs. You rarely feel special when they drop a Jordan 11 these days. Seeing those lines outside, seeing people camp. People was camping outside here in Atlanta. It's raining. It's cold as hell, bro. It's like 30 degrees outside and it's raining hard, and people was camping outside. My mom worked for the city and she hit me up like, son, do you see all the people standing outside in line? Like, you see it? It is a long line of people out here. I don't know what shoe they waiting for, but you need to get it and review it. And I'm like, man, cool. You know what I'm saying? Your boy already got it. You know what I'm saying? Sniper Jones, if he hit me. But no, seriously, man, that just makes you fall back in love with Jordan brand, man. That makes you fall in love with the historic Jordan 11. Man, I remember back in the day when I was living in Cleveland still, and the cool gray 11s dropped. That was so crazy, man. People are actually even killed for this pair of Jordans. Now, I'm not all for that, you know. It's all funny games, you know. I like when everybody go out, camp out, get your shoe, as long as everybody's safe. Once again, here in Atlanta, man, some stores was shut down, man. Some stores was rampage, like people was running, trampling. The internet was flooded with nothing but Concord pictures. Either it was Instagram, Twitter, any social media, bro, was just dominated by this shoe. And that is why I wanted to come back and just recap with you guys, because yesterday was crazy, and it's a feeling that I know a lot of people haven't got, especially from Jordan brand, in a long time. Let's be honest, as of late, everything has been sitting, right? The Jordan 1s have been sitting, even Rookie of the Years. We all thought that that had the most quality out of all Jordan 1s that was generally released this year. Yeezys are sitting now, you know what I'm saying? The Sesames were sitting, even the Zebra, which in my opinion is the Concord of the V2. Like, it holds the same symbolic meaning. And to see the shoe that had the most released sell out the fastest, it's so crazy to me, man. And like I said, bro, this is a dope shoe. You really can't go wrong with the white and black. Easy to rock. I love the high cut patent leather. I'm super excited about them re-releasing. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Damn, I gotta get up. I'm super excited about them re-releasing the Bread 11, man, because I know this is gonna have people going crazy with this authentic, amazing Bulls. This is just classic Bulls colorway right here, and then Jordan 11, and that patent leather just shining. Now, of course, on this one, they're gonna have a higher patent leather cut like this one, and I actually, like I said, I like the high patent leather cut better myself, if you asking me. I even heard they're gonna keep the stitched on 23 in the back, man, so I'm excited, bro. I'm really excited. Next year, I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop some meaningless 11s at the same time, but around December time when these drop, I think they might do the exact same thing as these. In my opinion, I don't know which one is better between the two. Cause this is just fire though. This is fire. I might have to choose the bread because it's just too classic. Anyway, guys, I did a how to cop video and I get a lot of DMs, man. Believe it or not, I know a lot of people in the comments be like, "Oh man, these gonna be easy to cop, man." I told y'all, bruh. I said, bruh, these will not be that easy. Do not sleep. Yes, everybody got their pair, but they sold out. And yes, everybody got their pair, but shout out to my boy Da Vintage, man. My boy Da Vintage did a live stream, and he had 40 people in front of him to get his pair. Now, as y'all can think, you know, of course 40 people gonna be in front of you when it's 2 million shoes produced, but at the end of the day, they going to pick them up too. You know what I'm saying? Yes, 2 million shoes are being produced, but 2 million people want them too. So with that being said, it's a high volume and it's also high amount of people who want the shoe. So that still means it's error to fuck up. You know, it's still error to not get your pair. I had people that had regular accounts that only had like the standard 6-minute head start time and they didn't hit on apps because you had to do that footwork and you had to get extra minutes. So for the people who watched my how to cop video and I was able to help y'all cop a pair, that's what I do it for at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much know everything I pretty much know about how to cop sneakers. I always tell them on how to cop videos, so I try to usually do how to cops on big sneaker releases I know a lot of people are looking forward to. Now this shoe did come with a lot of factory flaws. I ain't gonna hold you. Man, my pair, I told y'all, my pair had the heel crease that looked like somebody else was rocking these joints. I'm telling you, somebody from Nike tried on my stuff, and I'm telling you something, bro. When I see you, cuz, like when I see you, nigga, on me, oh, it's definitely gonna be a problem, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna go like that. I know for a fact somebody else was wearing my shoe. That's on dog. But no, man, honestly, bro, it had a heel creasing, and it also had like some small glue stains, but y'all know me, bro, I ain't tripping, man. Like at the end of the day, the shoe gonna be worn. However, I am gonna wait a long time before I wear it because we all know everybody and their mama gonna have this shoe on. Actually, I posted a pic on the gram that did way better than I thought, to be honest. I threw a pic on the gram and I was like, yo, this is everybody in school on Monday because we all know, bro, everybody gonna have this shoe, and that's fine. I seen the dude yesterday with them on, you know what I'm saying? And it was like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That lets you know, dude went straight to the mall like, ah yeah, looking there. But it's a Jordan, but it's a Concord 11 though. So I mean, that's the results you're gonna get from a Concord 11. Man, y'all know what's going on. It's your boy Snapper Jones. I just want to give y'all a recap and just show my symbolic love of this shoe and just kind of talk about the aftermath that happened yesterday, which was absolutely crazy. Like I said, a lot of pairs released, a lot of people slept, some people actually didn't pick up. The good thing is StockX isn't going too much over retail. When I last looked, so don't quote me on this because I haven't looked in a while, my size 12 was going for like $299 and they retail at $220, $232 at the tax here, so that's tough. So that's still, you still paying some extra bread for that, so that's tough, man, I ain't gonna lie. So hopefully, man, you guys got your hands on these, and if you have any Concord stories, then drop them down below in the comment section because I'm gonna read all of them, and on top of that, if you do that, I will shout you out in my next video. Until next time, man, it is your boy Snapper Jones, Concord up, as y'all see. I will catch up with y'all next time. Gang, gang. Hey, look, man, I'm gonna go ahead and say it, man. You know what I'm saying? You need to stop. You and Zay need to go ahead and stop ducking and run this 2-on-2. You know what I'm saying? Like, me and Holler really. Listen, hey, look, neither one of y'all can hold me. Like, that's a fact.
You really know that. Todd, you get the benefit of the doubt because you never seen me hoop, but you should know that by now.
I ain't never seen you hoop, but I don't gotta see you hoop, nigga.